Welcome to 71 Yarrawonga Drive in Castle Hill. This elevated two-storey home offers sweeping breezes, impressive views and a spacious deck designed for entertaining. A dress circle location, this is lifestyle made easy. Let's have a look around. Set on an elevated block, the home features generous open-plan living downstairs, flowing out onto an entertainer's deck where the views and breezes take centre stage. The upper level offers 4 bedrooms, including a main with ensuite, plus a large second bathroom and separate family room for relaxed everyday life. With air conditioning throughout, a 2-car garage with storage and room for a pool, it's a polished, low-maintenance home in one of Castle Hill's finest positions. Just minutes to the Strand, cafes and schools.